So this is the entirely workbook. So in this workbook there is a sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. So in this sheet, in the workbook, I am creating the sheets. Like see, this is the workbook. In by using the workbook, I am creating the sheet. In the this is the workbook creation, and then after that workbook creation, I have provided the creation of worksheet. Okay, now create sheet. So for creation sheet, I have a method, create sheet method. So in these brackets, I have to provide what is the name of that sheet. See that how can you change it the sheet of the net, rename, nothing but order details. Order details is the sheet name. Okay, this deleting everything. Okay, so now from this case, I am creating the row 1, row 2, row 3. In the first row, I am creating the first row, nothing but in the first row I am creating the row 1, nothing but 0 index row. Okay, at that I have created this one, I have created this row. Okay, so I have created this row. In this row, by using the what is the class I have been used to create the row, hss row equal to sheet dot create row. So at this point of time, the in the sheet the row has been created, this has been created. So and then what I have to done, after that row he has been created, after the row has been created, I have inserted the values at 0th cell. See this 33rd line, at 0 cell I have set the value id. See, at the 0 cell, this is the 0 cell, I have to make it id. Okay, what is the next line? At row cell number 1 I have set name, I have set name. And then in the 35th line I have set the cell as product. After that product has been inserted into this 0th row, what is happening? In the 36th line I have set the cell value as contact number. Contact number. I have set as a contact number. After that, cell 3 has been set into the contact number. What is the next step? I have to set the value as email. Here row will be starts with 0 and the column also starts with 0. A represents the 0th column, that means 0th cell. B indicates the first cell. C indicates the second cell. D indicates the third cell. E indicates the fourth cell. This is about this first the number 1 represents the 0th index. Okay, this is in the table side it is 0. In the coming to the programming side, the 1 represents it is the 0th index. So at 0th index I have the set the header values. Okay, this is the thing I have done up to 37th line. Now I have taken the one variable with row underscore number. In that row underscore number I have set the value as 1. Now what is happening up to this line? So I have taken row equal to sheet create, row equal to sheet dot create row, nothing but row number is 1. At this point of time, what will happen? It will create a new row, nothing but in the, so it will create the second row. So it will create the second row. In the second row, what is happening? In the second row, so here see order dot orders, that means I am looping the orders. I got the orders as a list of order. So I am iterating the each order. In the first iteration, first order will come to the this ORD variable. So I am I am setting the values to the cells. In the let us consider the in the first iteration, the values ID equal to 1, nothing but ID equal to 1, and name equal to Kaushik, and the product is mobile, and the mobile contact number is, and email gmail.com. This is the thing I have provided in the row number 1. Okay, let us consider these are the list of orders. So and the coming to the second, I will take in one more. Okay, Raji is the second name. His laptops, he bought laptop. And mail is Razu. Phone number is, okay. This is the second column. Second order. What about third order? It is a row number is 3. It is Mahesh. He bought a charger. His phone number is this Mahesh at the rate of gmail.com. His mail ID. So this is the when you are this data. Let us consider that this data is coming from the database. Okay. So for in this case, I have taken in the first iteration, I have taken 0th record. This is a, let us consider this is a array. I have taken the 0th record. What is the 0th record? Represents the 1 comma Kaushik comma mobile comma 7634778643 comma Kaushik at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, this is the first record. This is the first record. In the first iteration, what is the it will create the row number 1. That nothing but it will create the this row. Okay. So what is the next step? What is the ORD at this particular case? ORD is this one. ORD is at the first iteration. ORD values is this first order details. Okay, now what will happen? Row dot create cell 0. Row dot create cell. Row dot create cell means it will create the first row. It will create the this first row, ID row. So at that ID row, it will set the value like order dot get ID. So from order, I want to get the ID. What is the ID value? It is 1. So at this point of time, at that particular line, it will store as 1. What is the second line? Row dot create cell 1. So set cell value order dot get name. What is the name of this order? It will be Kaushik. It is Kaushik. What is the product? And then what is the next line? I am creating the cell and I am setting the cell value. What is the cell value? Order dot get product. What is the product? Mobile is the product. What is the contact number? After that line, what is the contact number? So this is the contact number I want to save in the database. What is the email? I am getting this as the email. Okay. So now what is the see this up to now I have incremented the row plus plus. Now what is the row plus plus? Row number, if you I want to, if I done the row plus plus, what is the value? What is the value? Now it will create the row with second row, it will be created. What is the order value? What is the order? It will create the order as second. So now same thing will happen at the at this line. Two will be inserted. After that, Raju will be inserted, and then laptop will be inserted, and then number will be inserted, and then email will be inserted, and then the value is incremented. Now the row number will becomes 3. If row number is 3, what is the order details? What is the order details? What is the order details? The order details at the row number 3. This is the order details. So 3, Mahesh, charger, everything will be inserted, and then row plus plus. But is there any orders after these 3 orders has been taken? There is no orders present. So this for loop will be comes out of this for loop. There is no orders after the 3 orders has been inserted. So it comes out of this loop. Then what I have done, then I have taken response as an parameter, HTTP servlet response. For that response, I am creating the output stream. Servlet output stream, OP output stream equal to result dot get output stream. I have taken the result has been stream. So I am whatever the output stream I have taken, I have write in the workbook. Whatever the workbook I have created, I am writing the result on that workbook, and I am closing this workbook as well as the I am closing the stream. Okay, this is the thing is happening here. Okay, is everyone is clear? Is everyone is clear? Okay, this is the part only I have done. Now you will see I want to, because here I am using the AWS database. In the morning, okay, you'll see whether it has been restarted or not. Databases. So that database is in available state. Now I am if I want to connect with the database, now I have to use the workbench to communicate with the database. I am using the MySQL workbench. Okay, this is the workbench I am having. Okay, is there any database? You show tables. Is there any tables showing the order details? Order. There is no table. So if I want to create the tables, I have some predefined properties. That means spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl underscore. This property is used to create the tables, from the Java application. Okay. Now I am running the application. Run has Spring Boot app. Okay, something is error. We'll see what is error. In DDL create table. string email, long contact number, string product, string. Okay, is everything is okay, then why it is getting? For executing the ddl, create table operator, id integer not null. Okay, contact number big data, email varchar, name varchar, product varchar, primary key. You have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponding to. What is the error? We'll see. By home. What is the error, guys?
Sir, maybe ID inter number, sir. Integer not available.
Create the table. You have an error. What?
ID may be inter number, sir, not integer. SQL query.
Where? ID integer. Okay, we'll see. Integer number. Order is not valid at this position. Create a table name. Okay, that's it. What is the error? We'll see once again. DDL class, check the manual corresponding to MySQL server version. Okay, wait. I will changing the here for the number I am taking the integer. Okay. Integer I am taking long. Okay, now I will try to execute once again. Will not throw file example application controller bean class entity at the rate entity. Okay, at the rate table, at the rate table equal to name equal to table order details. Okay, I have provided the table name. DDL, same thing is happening. Contact integer email varchar. Where? Okay, we'll check in the internet. What I have missed. So I want to save the some data coming from the I created entity, but error. This is the error only. Here is amount. Here is a product. Can keyboard. Okay, I think any. We'll check the properties. Okay. Properties file. Oh, okay, 3366 correct only. Database name. Is the database name is whether it is everything is correct, but I don't know why it is throwing error. ID integer, not null, contact number integer, email worker, name is a worker. Name is a where. Why it is showing this error? Anyone? Copy action. Copy row. You have an SQL syntax. Here, where beginners. Remove comma. Guys, anyone having any idea on this? Private integer ID string. Why it is? I should specify the database name at the end of the connection. So I have provided like localhost 33. I have provided correct one. Okay, I will try once again. Maven update. I have okay. Description. Consider the bean class. Okay, sorry guys. I order I have taken as a service. So process on. I forgot to take this services at the rate service layer. No, it is working perfectly. Now check whether it is table has been created or not. Order details something table name has been provided. Order details. I have given the order details as a table name. Now select star from order details. So there is no records present in the database. Now I am inserting the insert 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 table name. Oh, contact number and email at the rate gmail.com. Kaushik. I am editing the mobile. Second, Ramu Raju @gmail.com, and also for the name Raju I have been provided laptop. Nikki @gmail.com. Here Nikki name. Here airports. Okay, this is the details has been provided. Now see, hey, shit, I have not yet saved. Kaushik@gmail.com. Kaushik. Product name is mobile. Second one is I have inserted the two records Raju@gmail.com and Raju and phone. This is the two records. Okay. Save will. Okay. There is no save option. Insert new row. Export. Here. Okay. Now insert order values. Table name is order details. I am manually inserting the data. We'll take the data from the here itself. First ID. Next contact number I have to provide. And then after contact number, I have to provide the email. After contact number, I have to provide the email and the name and product. So this is the query I have to. Okay. Okay, another record is second Raju phone laptop. I am saving this record also. Okay. Okay, already records has been saved by duplicate entry. Okay, sorry. So already records has been saved. Okay, this is the records. Okay, first record is Kaushik mobile. This one, second one is Raju. Okay, I want to extract the data now. So for extracting the data, I am using the URL http underscore export. Where is the controller class? Controller class export. It is now see here Excel is downloading. Okay. Here is the Excel. I don't have access to watch the Excel in my laptop. Okay. Now I will move to the this entire application into AWS. Okay. Now I will go to the workspace. Where is this workspace? Projects and order management. Then I will opening the from this I am opening CMD and Maven clean. I want to clean the package, so I am using the MVN clean, and I will build the into application as a jar file. Maven clean once. Maven build Maven package. I am making the package. Okay. So package has been generated. Okay. Zero failures. Package successfully. Here is a package. So now I want to copy this package into AWS service. S3, S3 service. S3 is nothing but storage services. I am copying this application into S3 service. This is the bucket I have having. In the bucket, I am uploading this that file, jar file. What is the location at the project order management system target folder, and this is the folder. I want to upload the folder. Once I have been uploaded to the S3, I will copy the jar file to S3 to EC2. Okay, I'm creating the duplicate. So I am EC2. EC2. I am creating the one virtual machine. I'm already having one virtual machine. So instances, virtual machine, actions, instance. Start the instance. I am launching the mission. Okay. Now the file has been uploaded. So what is the file has been uploaded? This is the file I have been uploaded. I have copied the URL. Updated. Yeah. Connect with the EC2 instance. So what are the files will be available? ls.l. Total 0 files is available in the EC2 mission. Now I am copying the AWS S3 from S3 service to I am copying this folder, as app.jar file. I am copying the file from S3 to EC2. So it has been downloaded like app.jar. Now see the what are the files present in the EC2. So this is the file present. Now I want to run this jar file. So what is the command? Java_jar app.jar. This is the command which used to run the jar files. Java underscore Java jar app.jar. Java underscore jar app.java. Java underscore jar command. Java, how to run the jar file. What is the file? Java underscore jar. Only I am using. Why it is throwing an error? So once again, I will copy paste this one. Okay. Java underscore jar. Command not found. Why command is not found? Okay. I am having this another instance. So I will try that one. Start instance. I will try with this instance. Okay. Okay. First, I will see the what are the files present in. Already app.jar something folder is available. Java jar app.jar. Here it is working fine. Okay. Now I have to check with that instance. Okay. Clear. Okay. Now I want to copy this AWS S3 CP. I want to copy this management into application.jar something. Now ls minus l. What are ls? What are the files I have? App.jar and also only app.jar is available in this. Now I want to run this one. Okay, it is running well and good. Okay, now I will access by using this URL. What is the port number? It is 8080 export. Okay, మీరు కూడా ఒకసారి యాక్సెస్ చేయండి ఇది. మీరు కూడా యాక్సెస్ చేయండి. _ 8080 export. ఒకసారి యాక్సెస్ చేసి నాకు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఎవరైనా షేర్ చేస్తారు స్క్రీన్. శ్వేత, షేక్ బ్రో.
యాక్చువల్గా మొబైల్లో లాగిన్ అయ్యాను బ్రో, కానీ డౌన్లోడ్ అయింది.
అయిందా?
అయింది బ్రో.
శ్వేత మీరు చూడండి, డేటా వస్తుందా దాంట్లోకి?
యా బ్రో, డేటా అది వస్తుంది.
మనం ఏం స్టోర్ చేసాం అది వచ్చిందా, యాక్సెస్ అయిందా?
బ్రో వచ్చింది బ్రో.
కానీ ఈ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఎందుకు అవ్వట్లేదు చూద్దాం, వెయిట్ చేయండి. సో అర్థమైందా షేక్ బ్రో మీకు?
యా బ్రో, కొంచెం ఐడియా వచ్చింది.